channel. So in this video I'm sharing this glowy makeup tutorial. Actually I'm just sharing the base. The eye makeup I'll be sharing in the next video. So starting off with a good moisturizer, I'm taking this Pond's gel moisturizer. I'm taking a little bit extra than usual because we need a glowy base. For that you need products that can give you a little bit of glow, but as I have oily skin I am using lightweight products but in a little extra amount. For my primer I am using this Color Bar Perfect Match primer and I'm applying it on the areas that are more prone to produce oil, that is my T-zone area. For the foundation stick here I'm using this Olivia makeup stick in the shade 03. Now this is really good for people with oily skin. Since I use this as a corrector and as a base, it works both ways for me. If I want a light makeup I'll go for this one. So today I'm using this particular makeup stick. If you have any foundation that has a little bit of glitter in it or a little bit shiny in texture, then you should definitely go for that one if you want a glowy base. For concealer I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 10 light and I'm applying it on the area that I want to highlight on my face. To set the base I'm using Makeup Revolution banana powder and I'm just applying it very lightly. I'm not baking my face. So for blush, contour and highlight I have used this Maybelline Master Contour palette and I'm taking this lighter shade, this contour shade, to contour my face. Now if you want a glowy base then you must use a blush, foundation, primer, everything that has little bit of glitter or shine in them so that it can add up to the glow. Now I'm taking the blush shade from this palette. This has a little bit of glitter. I'm applying it just above my contour, not directly on my cheek area. Now I'm using a concealer, the same Fit Me concealer, to highlight the usual points that I want to attract a light, like the bridge of my nose, my forehead, Cupid's bow and the chin area. Now I'm taking the highlighter shade from the same palette and applying it with the help of a fan brush on the high points of my face. This highlighter gives a very nice and subtle glow to your face, but if you want a lot of highlight on your face you can use this one to, like, you can apply more product, but do not apply too much of product, otherwise it will make your face look like a disco ball and I'm sure you don't want that. So go little low on the highlighter side. When it will catch light it will glow itself. Like you can see the side of my face that is getting more light, it is glowing too much. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you want any specific look that I should create, then do comment below. And till my next video, take care and bye bye.